Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Vlogmas day 2, 2020. Today's gonna be a fun one. We're starting off the day. I have an appointment uptown, Upper East Side. I am getting my Botox checked up. If you didn't know, I got it probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago now, and I haven't gone for just like a checkup just to make sure it's even and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that, and while I'm up there, I think I'm gonna walk around and kind of explore the Upper East Side a little bit. I'll bring you guys along, obviously. I thought that would be kind of fun. I live in the Lower East Side, if you guys are new in New York City, which I've shown in my vlogs and stuff before, but I'll even show you more and stuff. But Upper East Side is like, it's so interesting with the neighborhoods in New York City, but Upper East Side is so totally different, like totally different vibe than down here. I honestly really like going up there. It feels very like, I mean, that's like where Gossip Girl is supposed to be based and stuff, but I'm not gonna say it feels like that, but it feels more mature. Like, I feel like even just the crowd, it's a little bit more sophisticated, and it's like I'm living like this like facade when I go up there. I feel like I'm playing dress up, you know? This is gonna be the look. I hope I'm warm enough. This jacket's pretty warm, but it's pretty cold out today, so we shall see. Everlane, I wore these yesterday. Free People jeans. I'm nervous with the ankle cut, and then I'm just wearing my sneakers because I know I'll be walking. Carrying my Chanel bag. I feel like I'm bougie on the top, but I have to wear sneakers because I'm gonna be walking. I hope I'm warm enough. I'll see you guys there. I'm just leaving. I am pulling up my maps so that I know where I'm walking. We're gonna go to Ralph's Coffee. I'll tell you guys in a sec. Hold on, I'm like in this hallway. A lot of people ask me how many cc's or units of Botox I got, and I just asked because she prices it by area. You should all make your decisions when talking to your own doctor or specialist or whoever's doing it, if you're doing it. She said it's dependent on the person and the look you want, but I did 16 units. I don't even know like quantities, that a lot, a little. She said she went light because it was my first time, and she just checked. We took some pictures to confirm that it looks like all good, and she thinks it looks good. And I'll go back in like 3 or 6 months, probably 6. Home now. I got a oat milk latte. It was really small, but it was really good from Ralph's, just because I was up there and around and stuff, so that was fun. Just posted Vlogmas day 1. You guys are loving it so far, which just brings me so much joy, and I think in a little bit we're gonna decorate this tree, so let's do that. This is the tree. It is from Michael's. I'm watching Katie Velotti's Vlogmas. Love her. So I got these hooks in yesterday's vlog, and I have these ornaments that I have to put the hooks on. They're so beautiful. They're from Target. I just love the colors and stuff. Oh, they're very neutral. My mom taught me you put the biggest ornaments on the bottom, and then you do smaller as you get to the top. She taught me some other things about tree decorating too. I ordered a tree skirt. I did. So let's just like put this in like fast motion, I guess, of me decorating this here tree. Why not? I'm gonna watch Renee's vlog too in the background. Pretty much just listen to it while I do this. That actually took a lot longer than I anticipated, and it looks mediocre, but mediocre is better than, like, done is better than perfect. That's always my motto. Probably not the best, but my butt hurts from sitting on the floor. I freaking hate ornament hooks because I feel like, I don't know, like they like a nuisance. I always remember like putting up the ornaments as a kid, and like we'd be like either out of ornament hooks or like they're all over the floor as they are right now. Right now I'm wearing a full-on gray outfit. I'm wearing my gray Gals in the Go sweatpants with this gray sweater just because I was like half dressed for the day. So I'm gonna change into full comfy. I think I'm actually gonna try to save the box because I feel like for storage later on I'll thank myself, because otherwise like the way we store all our ornaments at home is we do, well, I'm getting a phone call, give me a sec. We normally just like keep all of our ornaments, you know, in like newspaper, but I feel like if I save the box it will be more effective for cleanup later. So I think I'm gonna be smart about this and do that. Definitely not too shabby. I like the colors of the ornaments I got. Some of these are really close together, which is not it. Let's try to spread those out a little. Hey. Now I am going to do, I'm coming for your brand Remy. I'm doing a cooking with Brooke. We are going to make Gigi Hadid's vodka pasta without the spice because I'm a wimp and I don't like spice, but here are the ingredients. I think you could use whatever type of pasta you want. I personally have a strong affinity towards bow tie. I love it. Farfel, I think that's what it is. Bow tie pasta is what I'm using. It said red pepper flakes, but I'm not doing spicy. So anyways, so I got heavy cream. I was confused. Is heavy whipping cream and heavy cream the same thing? My mom said as long as there's no sugar, there's no sugar. So yeah, that's fine. Because I was like, do I get half and half? Whatever. Because it's vodka sauce. So that's usually cream, tomato paste. Of course, 1 shot of vodka. You guys know that. Like 1 shot of vodka, but she does like 80 million shots. Parmesan cheese. Oh my god, this is so funny. I ordered from like a grocery delivery service to get all this stuff because I was like, I want to do this. I asked for onion. This is what they gave me. I thought it was apples at first. I was like, I didn't ask for apples. I was like, oh my god, this is a bag of onions. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these, so TBD. I know they stay pretty good in the fridge for a while. You guys know I don't cook. What else do I need? Garlic, but I do my garlic like this. This is the crushed garlic. One of these is equal to a clove. They're really easy to use, so I just do my garlic that way. Roast me, I don't care. I've been wanting to try this. I see it on TikTok all the time. I love pasta, I love vodka sauce, so I'm really excited. I just found the recipe, like she posted on her, basically you cook the onion and then add 1/4 cup of tomato paste, cook till that's caramelized, add heavy cream. Sorry, this is like a video of her Instagram story. Oh my god, this is so slow. Come on. Speed it up. Keep stirring, blah, blah, blah. Then cook your pasta, serve. Oh, and you save some of the pasta water. And okay, butter. I need butter in here too. Cool. This is what I'm gonna cut my ingredients on. I also got basil to top. So I'm only gonna use 1 onion though. This is insane. Hey, quick question. I can't even believe I'm asking this. When I'm cutting an onion, do I peel it first?
You know what? Technically, yes. It's easier to peel it first because then you don't have to like peel off every ring. So if you peel it one time, so what you do to make it easiest, if it's round like this, cut the end off, cut a good amount off. If you don't need, unless it says you need the whole onion, don't be stingy because what the hell are you gonna do with the onion anyway?
Okay. Do I cut both ends?
Cut one side and make it cut more.
Okay.
Because what you're going to do, the trick is that you're now going to use that as your base. Now you're going to turn it upside down, and now it's going to sit flush on the counter, not roll around.
Oh.
Turn it.
Yes.
Pick it back up. Okay. Peel it. Start peeling near the section that you cut. Okay. And just kind of peel, like peel an onion. Sometimes you get in a groove and you peel a big chunk off, and sometimes you have to go back at it. But because you really want to get all those layers off, and don't be afraid if you feel like you peeled one of the layers off. If you did, who cares? It's an onion. Oh, true. Okay, cool. Right? See, in this case, it might have been easier to cut both sides. And it would have peeled a little bit easier. That's okay.
A nice shirt, Mom.
Oh, thanks. It's I'm rocking the merch for my daughter, but it's not your merch.
No, it's Insomnia Cookies merch.
But I wore it for my call today with the buyers, and I was like,
it's technically spicy, but I'm eliminating the spice because we don't do spice.
That's very good because God knows
we're wimps.
I missed the memo with that a couple of times already.
Wow, this is tough. Cutting an onion is no joke. Now, starting off, we have our garlic. Oh no, we're gonna start with our oil. 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm gonna make the sauce in this large saucepan because why not? It feels fun. I just called my mom for all of her tips. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. You guys, I have peeled an onion before. Now I know people are gonna comment like, what? But I always forget the order of which it goes. And honestly, normally I buy my onion pre-chopped because my eyes bleed when I do it. I know everybody's do. Trader Joe's has it pre-chopped and it's really easy. Okay, onion going in. It's 1/4 cup. No, it was 1/4 of the onion. Sorry, I'm all over the place. And then I did a clove of garlic. I'm getting my spatula and we're gonna cook all of this until it's softened. I'm gonna give it a little bit. Oh my God, you guys, this is hard to film and do at the same time. I don't know how people do this. Okay, we're moving this. This is gonna be a big ass cleanup. Oh, I didn't even make the pasta yet, you guys. Oh my God, there's so much to do. I am putting in 1/4 cup of tomato paste now to the softened situation. It says to cook this until it caramelizes and then we add in the heavy cream. What about the vodka? All right. There's actually no vodka in the recipe. I don't know why. I was reading one online and it was like Gigi Hadid's pasta recipe, but it wasn't her actual recipe. So that was weird. I don't even think there's cheese in this recipe. Whatever. Anyways, the sauce, I put in 1/2 cup of the heavy cream. So it's really just the tomato paste, onion, garlic. She said she used like a shallot in the actual recipe, but I think onion is fine. Finishing up the sauce, and then I'm gonna take this off the heat, make my pasta, and then you just add in pasta water. I feel like I'm making this way more complicated than it needs to be. And then you just add in pasta water, butter, and it's done. It's like the simplest pasta recipe ever, seriously. And I didn't even, like I said, no red pepper flakes for me because I don't like spice. All right guys, this is what it looks like with the sauce all in there. Oh my gosh. And now I'm going to add in the Parmesan. I don't know how well this Parmesan is gonna melt. It's like this kind, and I don't think that one's made for melting, but it's said to do Parmesan if I'm reading the recipe correctly. But she did a different type of Parmesan, you know, like the one that's like more shelf stable. This could be a fail, but it looked pretty before that. All right, that actually melted up beautifully. And I think we're gonna plate it now. It said the recipe was for 2 people, but honestly for me, it's like 1.5. But we know I eat a lot of food. Cleaning up the side. Oh my God, it is cheesy looking and delicious. Look at that. This is impressive for me, guys. Top it with the Parmesan and some basil. I'm just gonna like rip it up and, you know, do a little garnish deal. I guess I could have chopped it. Who cares? Just me eating it. It will look good. I did wash my hands before this, but it doesn't. It's only me eating it anyway, so. I really do like basil. Like basil and mozz, great combo. Basil and everything, really. Sorry that you're not eating this because, wow. This is actually mind-blowingly good. I feel so accomplished. It's nice cooking your own food. It literally tastes like I got it from like a local Italian restaurant. I will leave the video. It's like a screen recording of her Instagram story that I found on YouTube, and I will leave that link down below if you guys want to try the recipe. Wow. You guys, I'm watching Remy's vlogmas video, and she made the pasta too, like in her vlog yesterday. I didn't even realize it. I saw it on TikTok. I saw this girl was like, oh, I always make this like the Gigi Hadid pasta, and that's what inspired me, but Remy made it too. I guess it's just really popular, so I feel on trend, I guess. I think I'm gonna go ahead and shower soon. My hair is super dirty. If you guys know, I didn't wash it yesterday. It's pretty greased up, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna blow dry it with my Dyson Airwrap. So I think we'll do that now. It's getting dark because it's like basically 4 o'clock. It's been a while. My eyes are on absolute fire because I've been staring at screens for too long, and sometimes I use my glasses, sometimes I don't. But wow, I've just like done nothing but be on screens today basically, except for that walk around. I showered. I ended up not using my air wrap, so I just let my hair dry, and I'll do something over the next few days. Probably curl it tomorrow. I had some leftover pasta. Now I have to do the dishes, which is my least favorite part. I do it way too many times than I care to admit. I leave my stuff until the next day. You know, we're gonna leave this lighting like this. I don't want to look right now. I leave my dishes till like the next day. Way too much. Let me know if you guys do that too. I mean, it's fine. It's just me here. They're in the sink at least. Because I have to clear out the dishwasher and then put it. Whatever, it's not that big of a deal. I was just watching funny TikToks. I never really watched that guy, what's his name? Billy on the Street, but he made a TikTok, like they made a TikTok version of those videos, and he goes up to random people and like ask them really quick questions and be like, sir, like, do you like cheese? And then he like gives them $1. I just love like stupid comedy like that. So if you guys have anyone like that, like Cody Ko, not that stupid comedy, but like anyone like that sort of vibe, that's my jam. I also started watching Home Alone while I was just fresh out of the shower before. It's a good holiday vibe. Might call my mom again in a little bit. Why not? This is what the sign looks like at night, by the way. I don't even think I showed you guys. Vibes. I know it's kind of weird, like, because it gets like kind of on camera, but looks sick. And this is on a really dim setting. It can get even brighter than this. It's actually cool because if I have it like bright enough, I can actually read in bed just from that light. Probably a little bit of eye strain involved, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more cooking content, whatever you want to see. And I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow with another vlogmas. I guess not, whatever. I've been posting like middle of the day. So, oh my god, the tree looks so cute. Love you guys, bye.